No, semicircle, just semicircle, that's all.
You mean any Google?
Need a, guys, semicircle like this.
I'll go with other stuff. Make it look like there's a lot of people.
Alright. Okay, guys, now that we're all in the land of Israel, so you got flags where you're holding up the map of Eretz Yisrael, and the really cool thing about Israel is that when you're abroad, you can sit in a classroom with walls and a blackboard. It can be more interesting, it can be less interesting, but here we're actually traveling through the land of Eretz Yisrael. We're using our senses to walk through the pages of history, walk through the pages of the Tanakh, walk through the pages of Josephus, the historians, traveling through this land that's so small, the size of New Jersey, that's all. But within this land of Israel that's the size of New Jersey, we have folded within it all different types of geology and geography from the entire world. What am I talking about? 60% of the landmass of Israel, the size of New Jersey, is desert. But then we travel a little bit up, coastal plains, guys, where about half of the population of Israel lives, Tel Aviv metropolitan area. Head up to the peripheral areas of the Galilee and the Golan Heights, basalt rocks over here in the Golan Heights, and the beautiful limestone, dramatic limestone mountains in the Galilee. Come down through the Jordan Valley, see the borders, Syria, Lebanon, Jordan, and then come all the way to our 3,000-year-old physical and spiritual capital, Yerushalayim. Guys, it's going to be a great trip. Travel around Israel, have a great time. Thanks a lot.